What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? As you can see, engine shaking very bad. This is Volkswagen. This is diesel engine, Volkswagen. And we're gonna find out now kung ano nangyari sa engine nito. So, nag-plug in na tayo ng diagnostics. And then sometimes yung diagnostics, it doesn't give like accurate diagnose, because sometimes it is like computer sometimes giving false result, like it can even hang up sometimes. The computer hang up. So what we gonna do, plug in the diagnostics, and then aside from plug in diagnostics, we gonna check manually on what is going on, why the engine is shaking. The first things first, we gonna disconnect its connector here on the fuel injector, and we will see how the engine reacts. We try to disconnect. Like here, this is number 1 injector. Before doing that, I'm gonna show you the diagnostics here. So it may be accurate, sometimes it's accurate, but we have to double check. As you can see, it's cylinder 1 injector. It's open circuit. So it's open circuit. There is something wrong in here. So we're gonna disconnect if there is a reaction. See? Very hard to disconnect. Very hard. We're gonna check if there is power coming through here. So there's no reaction, no? Okay, there's no reaction. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna check if there is power supply from the injector connector here. So this is like our basic kids light here, connected to the negative side, and we will see if there is power going on in here. See, so there is power. There is power on the system. Yeah, as you can see, this is the switch here, and there is the supply. See, so there is power on this connector here, but here in the injector itself, there's no action on the injector side. So number 1 injector, this one here, the electronic system is faulty. So what we gonna do, we're gonna try to like change the injector, fuel injector. We will see if there is action, no? Okay, that's the number 1 thing to do. And then as we get along, in order to confirm that all injector here are good, aside from number 1, we know already that number 1 is bad. We're gonna move on to the next one, which is the cylinder injector 2. Disconnect. See, the engine reacts. That means the injector 2 is good. Okay, and the number 3. So this one is good. I'm gonna start again. The engine died, so I'm gonna start the engine again. Okay, so we know already that injector number 2 is good, number 3 is good, and here comes the number 4. We're gonna disconnect. If the engine stalled like before, then the injector is good. So there was a changes. So this one is good. So only the number 1 is not. We're gonna change the number 1 injector. You can see no action, whatever. There was no action. Okay, unlike if we disconnect this number 2 here. So I'm trying to see, even if without diagnostics, even if without diagnostics, still you can determine if the injector is bad through the disconnecting this contacts here. Okay, so finally we got the bottom line, which is number 1 injector is bad. Okay, again I'm gonna disconnect the number 2 injector. See, it died. That means injector is good. Only this number 1 is not, because there was no reaction. So what I'm trying to see here, is even without using diagnostics, you can still diagnose bad injectors into like manually. Okay, by disconnecting this injector connector. Okay, you see there is a leaking here. Anyway, that's it guys. Thank you.